Hello. Who's a good doggy? Right. Marcia, sit. Sit. Oh, who's a good dog? Who's a happy dog? Look at that tail wag. Hey, come here. Come here. Right. And Paul, hey, sit. 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 Paul. Paul. Oh, he's a good doggo. Right, sit. Wait, sit. Sit. Is that paw? Paw. Oh, good dog. He's a good dog. Look at that. Oh, look at that beautiful face. He's a good dog. Who's the best doggy, eh? You are right. Good dog. And he's a good dog. You are such a good dog. So it's difficult to film a dog when you're trying to give him loves. He's a good pup. You are you. Yeah. Read it. And good dog. He's a good boy. Right, good girlie. Who's a good dog? You are. What are we doing? Again? You're just gonna whip me with your tail? Is that what we're doing? Yeah, it's like a fucking whip. Yeah, stay on my bag. Masha! What are you doing?
Let me come round this one and she should turn round. I've just noticed there's crap on that chair.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't have me in it.
Well. It's piping a beak on you.
Oh, Becky, no. You're wiping your beak. Stop wiping the beak. What do they say about animals?
I don't know.
That they never work with children and animals?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And that'll be why.
Oh, have you got some stuff on your beak?
Yeah, I've got crap on my back.
Yeah. Just want to get a good shot of her colours, because she's unbelievably good. There's the crap.
I know. Beautiful. Right, let's see if we can get her back on there.
Go on. She's not having it, is she?
No, she's not.
Oh, he's a poser.
Mm.
Have a look on her face. Well, I say that, but the way she's tilting her head.
Yeah. I'm quite finished.
Do you want to pose in front of the Christmas tree bird?
Yeah, go on. Yeah. Oh. Right. Get ready then, get your... Feet down behind. She's coming to me. She won't go quick.
Better leave my camera alone, bird. This camera costs more than you did.
Oh, I'm sure it does.
I think it bloody well does.
Right, that'll have to be it.
Right.
Last one.
Oh, look at those colours.
It's the rings around the eyes, isn't it?